Okay, this is sounds of Beethoven. For all of these, your right hand is on C, D, and E, 1, 2, and 3, and your left hand is on B and A. So here we go. And all of these have a repeat, and you play loud the first time and soft the second time. So starting out loud on number 1. 1, ready, go. E, B, C, B, 2, 3. B, C, B, A, 2, repeat soft. E, D, C, B, 2, 3. D, C, B, A, 2, 3. Okay, we go on to number 2, loud. 1, ready, go. E, B, B, E, A, A, E, B, B, A, 2, repeat soft. And finally, we have A, C, and E all together every time. So, number 3. 1, ready, loud. E,